QUIXX Repair it yourself. Scratches in the paint happen quickly and lurk around every corner. This looks ugly and reduces the value of your vehicle, but we can help you out. With QUIXX Paint Scratch Remover, you can repair deep scratches easily on the cheap. It's that simple. First tape, then damp the 3000 grit sanding paper, and wet sand the damaged area with it for 15 seconds max. Quickly clean. Perfect! Now apply a little bit of QUIXX Repair number 1 into the scratch. And off we go with polishing. Simply polish the scratched area for 2 minutes with strong pressure using the polishing cloth. Most effective are quick, forceful moves perpendicular to the scratch. Remove residues of QUIXX Repair number 1 with a wet cloth. Remove the tape. Remove residues. Perfect! If the scratch is still visible, repeat steps. Once the scratch is removed, apply QUIXX Finish number 2 into a large area. Polish the whole thing using a clean polishing cloth for about 2 minutes with high pressure and fast circular motion. It's true for this step too. Good pressure and fast motion create the best result. Done! No expensive workshop necessary with the professional do-it-yourself solution by QUIXX, suitable for other fields of application as well. Actually, the same procedure as for the first scratch. Again, tape first. Also, here we wet sand. And always remember cleaning and drying. Now apply QUIXX Repair number 1 into the scratch. Apply the paste into the area. Remove the tape. Do not forget the next step now. Now apply some finish number 2. Polish the area in circular motions until everything shines brightly. Perfect! Professional results on the cheap and the unbeatable feeling of having done the job by yourself. We help you with other repairs too. Just see for yourself. QUIXX Repair it yourself.